Did you know that the mantis shrimp can throw a punch faster than a .22 caliber bullet? This tiny ocean creature packs one of nature's most devastating weapons, and it's not even close to being the strongest punch in the animal kingdom. Let's dive into the incredible mechanics of this underwater martial artist. The mantis shrimp's punch reaches speeds of 50 miles per hour. That's faster than a .22 caliber bullet, which travels at only 40 miles per hour. This incredible velocity is achieved in just 3 milliseconds, making it one of the fastest movements in the entire animal kingdom. To put this in perspective, that's faster than a human eye can blink. The punch works through a spring-loaded mechanism in the mantis shrimp's claw. Muscles compress a saddle-shaped structure in the appendage, storing energy like a loaded crossbow. When released, this stored energy explodes outward, propelling the claw forward with devastating force and creating shockwaves that stun prey, even if the punch doesn't make direct contact. The impact generates a cavitation bubble, a pocket of extreme pressure and heat that collapses violently. This bubble creates temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun and generates a shockwave powerful enough to kill prey instantly. A single punch can smash through aquarium glass and has been known to break the bones of larger animals. And here's the craziest part. The mantis shrimp can punch multiple times in rapid succession without tiring, and its claw is reinforced with special layers that protect it from the shock of its own blow. This tiny creature, only about 10 inches long, generates more force per unit of body weight than any other animal on Earth. Want to learn more amazing facts like this? Visit Sikho.ai for hundreds of fascinating did-you-know videos that will blow your mind.